Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll guide you through the Page Transition Widget setup, so you can personalize your store's browsing experience in just a few minutes. This widget lets you add smooth transitions between pages, creating a more polished and engaging shopping experience for your customers. Let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Page Transition Widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Debutify Widgets. Select the Page Transition Widget. To enable or disable a widget, go to Theme Settings, Growth Widgets. Once inside, you'll find customization options that let you make transitions match your brand's unique style. Logo. Upload your own logo in formats such as SVG, PNG, JPG, JPEG, or WebP. This logo will appear during the transition effect, giving your store a professional and consistent touch. Logo width. Adjust the size of your logo to perfectly fit your store's look. And that's it! You've now set up the Page Transition Widget. With this widget, you can create smoother browsing for your customers and keep your brand identity front and center as each page transition appears. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme!